The human body is an amazing piece of machinery. Your heart pumps blood, your lungs take in oxygen, and your brain forms thought all without thinking about it. And while you are aware, your body going through thousands of processes all at once. There are few things it does that you had no idea about. Check out these 10 fascinating facts about our bodies. During your lifetime, you will produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. Actually, saliva is more important than you realize. If your saliva cannot dissolve something, you cannot taste it. Blinking of eyes. Your eyes blink around 20 times a minute. That's over 10 million times a year. Every inch of your skin has about 32 million bacteria on it. Yes, there really is this much of bacteria on your body, no matter how often you bathe. There are approximately 32 million bacteria per square inch of skin. The good news is most of it is totally harmless. The brain is much more active at night than during the day. Logically, you would think that all the moving around, complicated calculation and tasks and general interaction we do on a daily basis during our working hours would take a lot more brain power than, say, lying in bed. Turns out the opposite is true. When you turn off, your brain turns on. Scientists don't yet know why this is, but you can thank the hard work of your brain while you sleep for all those pleasant dreams. Amazing heart. Depending on your beats per minute, your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. That means it sends 2,000 gallons of blood through the body. If you live at age 70, your heart will have beat around 2.5 billion times. In time, your brain will have a harder time with long-term memory because the brain is unable to filter and remove old memories, which prevent it from absorbing new ideas. That means the brain has to work harder to produce memories over the average lifetime. Powerful acid. This acid in your stomach can dissolve razor blades. To put into perspective, your blood has a pH level of around 7.4, which is slightly alkaline. On the other hand, your stomach acid is around a pH level of 1 or 2, which is highly acidic. And you can thank your stomach's protective lining for not damaging itself with its acidity. Your brain produces enough electricity to power a light bulb. If you have ever compared your brain to a high-powered machine, you are not far off. Neurons in the brain do make enough electricity to run a light bulb. And you can thank the 100 billion cells within your brain that are generating this amount of energy for that. And also the information that travels to your brain from your body goes from one place to other at 150 miles per hour. Half of your taste buds are gone by age 60. There's a reason food you once loved starts to taste different as you age. It's common for women as early as 40 to start to lose their taste buds. As for men, they have a bit more time as the change occurs in their 50s, and by the time you are 60, many are totally gone. As you age, you will probably notice your ability to taste salty and sweet things decreases. Babies have over 300 bones, but adults only have 206. Your body may have been smaller, but in reality, you had more bones as a baby than you do now. Babies are born with about 300 bones, but by the time they reach adulthood, these bones will have fused together to form 206 bones. Between birth and death, the human body goes from having 300 bones to just 206. Babies don't shed tears until they are at least 1 month old. All the time your body is doing a million things that we are not even aware of. These are some interesting facts about a human. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Until then, bye.